Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to stop automatic backup to OneDrive in Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, direct your attention to the bottom right corner of your screen where your system tray is located. This is the area where various background applications and system icons appear. Among these icons, you'll find the OneDrive Cloud icon. Go ahead and click on this icon to open your OneDrive window. This gives you quick access to OneDrive's features and settings without needing to open the full application. Once the OneDrive window appears, navigate to the top right corner where you'll see a gear icon. This is your settings access point. Click on this gear icon and a context menu will appear with several options. From this menu, locate and click on Settings. This will open the Microsoft OneDrive settings window, which is where you'll be able to control all aspects of how OneDrive operates on your system. Now, in the OneDrive settings window, look at the left side menu. You'll see several options listed there for managing different aspects of OneDrive. Click on Sync and Backup. This section controls how OneDrive handles file synchronization and automatic backups from your computer to the cloud, which is exactly what we need to modify. Under the Sync and Backup section, you'll see a button labeled Manage Backup. Click on this button to proceed. This will reveal a list of folders that are currently being synced and automatically backed up to your OneDrive account. These typically include important folders like Desktop, Documents, and Pictures, which Windows automatically selects for backup to keep your files safe in the cloud. Here's where you take control of the automatic backup process. Next to each folder name, you'll see a toggle button. To stop automatic backup for any folder, simply click the toggle button next to that specific folder to turn it off. The toggle will switch from blue or enabled state to gray or disabled state, indicating that automatic backup for that folder has been stopped. You can disable backup for one folder or multiple folders depending on your preference. This means those files will no longer be automatically synced to OneDrive, giving you back local storage space and control over what gets backed up. And that's it. You've now disabled automatic backup to OneDrive for your selected folders in Windows 11. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.